Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video because I'm going to be reviewing a product that I've seen basically everywhere, and I just decided, you know, I need to reach out to this company and see if they would possibly send me one so I can test it out for myself and show my subscribers what I think of this product. So I'm going to hurry and show you guys the product and talk a little bit about why I wanted to review the product. This is the JUVALIPS. Okay, I know you guys are already judging me right now saying, oh my gosh, they're so into all the facial, you know, transformations and enhancers and things like that. Yes, I am very into those things if they work. I mean, I don't have money to pay for real lip injections, okay, guys? This is the closest thing I've got. And this is an all-natural product. So if you guys don't know what this is JUVALIPS. Okay, this is a natural lip plumper. It's supposed to suck your lips, not like the Kylie Jenner lip challenge or anything like that, but it's supposed to suck your lips and make them plump, and it's supposed to last from like 6 to 8 hours. And if you continue to do it like every day, do it 1 to 2 times a day or something like that, it's supposed to, I don't know, it's supposed to give you even plumper lips throughout time, and you're supposed to just like continue to see results, things like that. So I have read all of the instructions on the inside, but I'm gonna go over them again just for the sake. And I did open it because I wanted to like see what it looked like. It comes with 5 replaceable felt inserts. So they're just supposed to kind of catch your saliva or whatever is nasty that's coming towards it. It's supposed to catch all of that. It comes with 2 AAA batteries. It comes with a little microfiber carrying bag, and it's just supposed to keep it safe away from the world so it doesn't get any germs. And then voila, here is the product that I have been so excited to test out. Okay guys, I know you guys are probably thinking, why does she want plumper lips? I know she already has very plump lips, but for me, I just think that it's fun to play around. I mean, it's not that I want these like crazy gigantic lips, but I would love a little bit of a fuller top lip. I'm not looking for crazy results, but we'll see what this does and see if it even works. It looks like it has some of that felt insert on the inside already. It looks like this. It says on the box that this is a removable mouthpiece, so you're supposed to be able to take it off and clean it and sanitize it after every use if you guys want to. So I already did put the batteries in, so we're all ready to go. It's got the little power button right here that you would just press for putting it on your lips. So the instructions are really, really easy. It says that you can tolerate 1 to 2 uses every time that you use it, but if you are like more tolerated to it, you guys can use it 4 to 6 times. You just need to be careful because it can give you some bruising, but it's supposed to go away pretty quickly. You don't get bruising every single time. It's just like if you're going crazy on it the very first time. So it says, wet your lips or apply lip balm before using. This may help provide a better seal. So for me, I brought up my Pure Plumping Lip Exfoliator because I want to kind of maximize it just to see if I can even get it even crazier. So I actually just barely opened my BoxyCharm and I got this and I was like, oh, I'm gonna use this for my video because I want to see if it will maximize everything. So then it says, simply place the JUVALIPS device against your lips and push and release the power button. Allow an airtight seal to form. It is automatically timed and will stop after 60 seconds. So you guys can use it up to 6 times, but I mean, obviously you can use it as much as you want, but it says 1 to 2 uses, like the first few times, just so you're not like irritating your lips too much. And then it says, as you use the device, you will feel a gentle pulling in of your lips into the mouthpiece. This is normal and you should allow your lips to be pulled. After the first application, you can check the results and repeat the steps above until the desired fullness is reached. So that's all pretty much. I mean, there's a few more things. It just says like, don't overuse, like I already said. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove what's on my lips because I don't want this lip gloss on right now. And I wanna put that lip plumper on. I'm gonna apply the Pure lip injection stuff and see if this does anything to help. It's just like a little chapstick. And it's already tingling. So, my lips are already pretty plump. Ooh, that feels good. My lips are already plump as it is, but my top isn't as plump. And I mean, heck, I wouldn't mind if my bottom got even plumper, but like I said, this is just temporary. It's not gonna stay for very long. I mean, the longest it's gonna stay is like 6 to 8 hours unless you do it every day religiously. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this to my lips. Just put my lips inside and then press the button. I'm really nervous because this is my first time. So here we go. Oh, she be big. Oh my gosh. My top lip is like so extra pouted. I like can't even. Okay, I want to do it one more time because I want to see if they get even bigger, and I just want to experiment. I'm getting really excited. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? I feel so crazy. Oh my gosh, but it looks really good. I'm gonna put a little bit of. Oh. Oh. That looks amazing. Like, so good. I wanna put lip liner on and see what it looks like. Well, I'm just gonna put some, what am I gonna do? I don't know what to do. I'm so overwhelmed. But holy crap, I need to zoom in. They feel way bigger. Like, I'm gonna do it again. Maybe I shouldn't, but I love this. Okay guys, I am freaking out because my lips legit feel and look so big and plump. Like, it doesn't look unnatural, but I mean, it may to you, but to me, it doesn't look bad. My bottom lip is just like, oh! My top lip even has a little bit, I feel like I can't talk. My top lip even has like a little bit of a pout. I feel so fierce right now. I can't even deal. But guys, JUVALIPS. I will link them down in the description box below if you guys are interested in having some plump lips. Like I said, it will only last like up to 8 hours unless you do it religiously every day. I'm dying. But if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!